Okay, so by now you should have pretty much solved the fraction that we were working on. So we had multiplied the denominator by 4, so multiply the numerator also by 4, you get 8 over 36. And then here you're multiplying the denominator by 3, so do the same with the numerator, you get 21 over 36. And you add them up and you got 29 over 36. Now, I'm going to show you another method of adding up fractions. And you can see why LCM is sometimes better, though you can use this method, which just means that then you don't have to worry about the LCM. What we are going to do here in this method is, I've written the same fraction so that you can compare. I'm going to multiply the whole fraction, the numerator and denominator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second. So I'm going to pretty much do 2 over 9 times 12 with both the numerator and denominator, which gets me to 24 over 108. 9 times 12 is 108. Alright, now with the second fraction, I'm going to multiply it by the denominator of the first. So 7 over 12, I'm going to multiply it by 9, both the numerator and denominator. That gets me to 63 over 108. Now I can add both of these, which is 24 over 108 plus 63 over 108. This will be, do not add up the denominators, leave them as is. 108 is the denominator and you get 87 over 108. Now you know this is such a big number. This doesn't look anywhere closer to that. That's because we can definitely reduce these. So 87 can be divided by 3 and I will get 29. And I can divide this also by 3 and I'll get 36. So you can simplify the fractions by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 3. If you don't do that and just leave it at this stage, also it is okay. You might, at your level, you will not lose any marks unless the question asks you to simplify, then you might lose half a mark. But otherwise, pretty much, you're good if you leave it at 87 over 108. Some people might prefer this method because you don't have to worry about the LCM. All you are doing is multiplying the first fraction by the denominator of the second, okay? And then you multiply the second fraction by the denominator of the first. So I'll make this round. I don't know how else to confuse you. I don't know if it is confusing, but pretty much first fraction multiplied by denominator, which means you are multiplying both the numerator and denominator, and the second fraction multiplied by the numerator of the first. Okay, we'll do another example.